Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is the unboxing, basic assembly, and review of Rogue Fitness's Floor Glute, also known as the Nordic Curl. After placing my order with Rogue, they were quick to ship it out in about a day or two. I received it in the mail about a week later in these 3 boxes that you can see pictured here. The boxes were in okay to kind of beat up shape. All of the metal pieces inside did seem to rustle around a little bit, and they were not protected very well. There was a lot of cardboard rub and everything like that. All the materials are made well, and we will get into some of the defects and everything else later. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the shipping, but I do think that they could improve upon it just a little bit. After the unboxing, I opened all the nuts and bolts with washers, as you can see here. I do have to say this is the worst part of the entire build. The instructions for assembly could be heavily improved upon, as it's just one single piece of paper and it's kind of confusing. Here's a quick walk around for the assembly if you need to see where the nuts and bolts go. So earlier when I put all the nuts and bolts out for assembly, it did help speed up the process for assembly in the in-run dramatically. The total time of the build from unboxing to the last bolt being screwed on was around 45 minutes. You can see the timer up top if you need to. I did start off with the 2 rails, making it a little bit easier and also kind of helping me give a little bit more rigidity to structure so when I put on the end piece. All right, now that assembly is complete, let's take a look at some of the manufacturing defects. As you can see here, there's some areas that are just not painted, they're chipped, or they're sanded down prior to shipping and packaging. So in the end, I think it is a well-made product. However, they could be a little bit more detailed with their paint and their shipping process. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick review and hope you have a good day.